Hey guys, Rod's Random Stuff. Today we're going to review HexClad Cookware. Just got it today. Let's see how they packed it up. This was the 3-pack. And then you got a free wok. Let's see what this is. And just they give you nice bags for each one. Instructions. These look like a lid. Just open up one lid. Good box. Good quality lid. Got your steam hole and or temperature probe. Pretty cool looking. It's got nice weight to it. Looks cool. Let's open up one more here. Whoa, that's cool. Just another lid. We'll skip over that. All the lids are going to be the same, just different sizes. That's pretty cool. This is what they called free. Looks nice. Put that over here for the moment. Put this over here for the moment. Let's see what else we got in here. It's definitely packed very well. Another lid. So 3 lids in total. 4 pans in total. 1, 2. Same thing, just different sizes. Also the same for this guy. One lid. 2 lids, 3 lids. I'm not sure if you're supposed to have another lid, but I'll look into that. I'll let you know on the first cook video. Stay tuned for that, of course. Other than that, looks great so far. So we will go from there. Next weekend, I'm gonna season these up for another video, and then after that we'll do the first cook. All right, don't forget, we'll like and subscribe.